Hey y'all, what up, what up, what up? Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Happy 4th of July weekend, y'all. So, ooh, y'all, it is already hot than an emmer effer, okay, out in this piece. And I don't know why I put on a long sleeve shirt, but it is the 4th of July weekend. It is hashtag Julive. We are doing the Julive challenge, and we are going live every single day. So it's early in the day. I got some errands I need to go run. I got to pick this dreaded run to Walmart. I'm also going to try to run to the Dollar Tree. Hopefully they're open, because every single time I have gone there, the last few times I've attempted to go, they haven't been open. So I'm hoping by me waiting till later in the day I catch them, because you can't beat the Dollar Tree, even if it is $1.25 now. There's some little knickknacks and stuff there that I want to pick up, so hopefully I can catch them. So I am literally sitting here in my driveway, warming up my little car, getting ready to head out into these streets. So this is going to be a vlog day, y'all. I'm going to try my best to vlog it out. All right, and I'm going to bring y'all along with me to see what I get. Starting off with this beautiful handbag. This beautiful handbag was a thrift find, y'all. A thrift find. Isn't it cute? And I just thought, oh, it goes with the little green in my top today. And it's sunny out. It's springy summer. So, already starting, guys. So, yeah, y'all stick around. See what we come up with. All right? Grab yourself a snack, a beverage, and let's make it do what it do. Oh my God, y'all. What was I thinking? What the entire heck was I thinking coming out after 2 p.m. in this 90 plus degree temperature with the index pushing it up into triple digits? I've been walking around all this time inside of the air conditioned store, and I'm still sweating like a pig. And now I am back out in my hot car that I tried to park under a tree, and I come pushing my cart back up, and the sun is beaming right on my car. But anywho, y'all, I'm starting to really feel the effects of this inflation. I'm a little bit in my feelings, because some of the very reason why I even travel over to the Walmart is for them 88 cents, $1.98, and those little cheap, affordable prices. Baby, Walmart done raised their prices up. I ain't even bother going over to the Dollar Tree, because, baby, that would have been more gas. So, anywho, I'm getting ready to head on back home. We're going to see what I found, and I'm going to let y'all know. I think I spent right around $78. And $78 just does not stretch like it used to. I literally just picked up a few odds and ends to get me through like the next week or so, and it really wasn't much. So I'm trying to really figure out why my $70 only went but so far. But we shall see when I get to the crib, y'all. Stick around. Stay tuned. Peace. Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More, coming through with a quick cooking video, y'all. So I am going to be making some snacks for myself and my husband using this little bit of leftover chicken that I had in the refrigerator. As you can see, all I did was took the leftover chicken, cut it up, put it in the fridge, okay? So I'm going to be using that to make some chicken wraps, okay? Now, I saw this recipe on YouTube. This is going to be my first time trying it. So I hope that it turns out good, and you all be sure to drop down in the comments and let me know. Have you ever made your own DIY chicken wraps? And if so, what did you use? What would you suggest? How'd I do? And so forth, okay? All I know is all of these ingredients I love, so I think it's going to be just fine. Now, these are going to be new. I picked these up in my latest Walmart haul. These are garden spinach herb infused wraps. Okay, so these should be pretty good. And then these ones, this is going to be a first time for us as well. These ones are sun-dried tomato basil flavored wraps. So we're going to be using those. I am going to slice up some of my multicolored peppers here. I got yellow, red, and green, as well as white onion. I am going to also be adding some banana pepper rings. Those are pretty mild, of course. And of course, some mild ranch, okay, for our dressing. I also have, how could I forget, to bring this out of the fridge, guys. In place of lettuce, I'm going to be putting this spring mix, which is organic baby lettuce mixed with organic baby greens and organic radish. So that is going to be pretty much all the ingredients for my wraps. Now, once I get all of the vegetables sliced, I am going to just saute them a little bit here in my skillet along with the chicken and just kind of get them warmed up and grilled a little bit before I wrap them. Also, I will be pairing this with provolone cheese. So stick around. Again, thank you so much for taking a moment to click on this video. If you find that you enjoy this video, please make sure that you blow dry on the like button for me by leaving me a thumbs up. Also, sharing is caring, so please, if you have the ability to do so, please make sure that you share the video. Alright guys, so for right now, I am just slicing these up really quick so that I can saute them up for our wraps. Nothing fancy, just basic slicing of the peppers, okay? So that they can go onto the wraps, okay? Yes, I think this is going to be delicious, and I am super excited. I can't wait to try them. And I'm going to pair them with some fruit on the side. I think these are going to be good. Really good. And probably will save me money on going to that dang on Jimmy John's sub shop. Okay, so stick around, guys. Okay, guys, so now that I got my vegetables all sliced up and pretty, I have added a little bit of oil to my skillet. I am now going to take my leftover chicken that I've sliced off the bone, and I'm going to mix just a little bit of this lemon pepper marinade. It is the Walmart brand, y'all. Don't sleep on it. It's $1.25 versus McCormick's $3.95, and it tastes just as good. I'm gonna saute the vegetables and the meats in just a little bit of this, just enough to warm it up so that it's not cold going onto our wraps, okay? So yeah, that is it. Seems simple.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. Call it what you want, I got something else in mind.
The night before,
Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make it worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound.
as you can see, those vegetables are nice and sauteed up with that chicken. And I'm telling you, that zesty lemon pepper marinade, oh my God, it just gave it just the right amount of zing. Because your chicken is already flavored from the night before. So like, I think we literally had like 4 chicken legs left over. Well, obviously that's not going to be enough for a full dinner, but it was certainly enough to try out this recipe to make some do-it-yourself chicken wraps. So again, I have one of each. I got the spinach wrap, and then I got the basil and tomato wrap. I have my provolone cheese, and then I got the spinach mix already rinsed. I'm going to add my pepperoncinis and some ranch. And we are going to see how this is done. And I'm going to let y'all know what it tastes like, y'all. So far, it is looking and sounding good. And I don't know about y'all, but the sandwich shops in my area charge all of $7 and $8 for these type of wraps. So if this is really, really good, I will be doing this at home. Because for all of my ingredients, I paid about $7 or $8. Okay? Minus the chicken. The chicken was something that was left over from the night before. And again, in this economy, okay, it's all about making your dollars stretch and still being creative with your meal options. All right? All right, so I'm hoping that you all can see what I'm doing and how I am going to maneuver this. So, this is kind of making me...
Watch me under the light. So keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night.
I want this cheese to melt.
You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind.
Tear this cheese in half.
Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time.
Spread.
So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn down. Let your colors burn down. I'll let you in the dark. I'm waiting in the dark, where I can see you so clear. All we got is here and now. So give it all you got. Don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. So take it all, give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn down. Let your colors burn down.
All right, guys. Got them all rolled. Now I'm going to plate them. I literally use this plate to roll on. All right, guys, and voila, here we are with the finished results. So there is the spinach wrap, and then there is the tomato and basil wrap. I'm hoping that you all can see that. I am pairing them with some grapes and a couple of orange wedges. Look at the inside, guys. That cheese has melted. These are going to be absolutely delicious. Delicious. All for under $10 and in less than 20 minutes. I want to thank you all for tuning in and watching me as I tried out this recipe. If you've enjoyed the recipe, please don't forget to blow dry on the like button. Also, sharing is caring, so please make sure that you share the video for me, either here on YouTube as well as your other social media accounts. Thank you. Until next time, guys, stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your